Hi everyone, how are you doing? I hope you are having an amazing day. I am so excited because we have yet again a new subscription to our channel. Today the new box is Glamour jewelry box, and how cute is this box? Like purple, pretty. Says the name of it, Glamour jewelry box, right there. So I am super excited. Of course, like the name implies, it is a jewelry box. Like with all new subscriptions, I have their website pulled up and I am going to read a little bit about it because since it's new to our channel, I don't know much about it and I would like to learn more. But before we get started, I just want to remind you that I do have my 4,000 subscriber giveaway currently going on. That ends May 8th and is open international. So if you have not yet entered, definitely check that out. I will leave a link to the giveaway video where you can check out all the prizes and learn how to enter. So that will be below in the description box. And of course, the link to this box will be there as well. So Glamour jewelry box, what is it? On their website, which is super cute by the way, it says, looking for the perfect jewelry subscription box? Yes. And this is how it works. You sign up. So pretty much says sign up, count down, and adorn yourself. What is in the box? Get 3 boutique jewelry pieces, including a necklace, bracelet, and earrings, shipped to your door every month. Each box is valued more than $75. Awesome. And there's some pictures here. It looks super cute. It says, why do ladies love us? High quality jewelry. Each piece of jewelry you receive is high in quality and value. The pieces featured in each box are ones found in high-end boutiques. Convenience. Don't have time to shop? Let us do the work while you grow your jewelry collection. The box also makes a perfect gift for anyone out there. And then discover new jewelry. You'll be receiving a combination of on-trend and classic pieces, exposing you to a selection that you may not have otherwise discovered. Okay, let's see what the price is. So if you pay month to month, it is $29.95. I don't know why my instinct is to always say $21. No, $29.95. It looks like you do pay shipping. It's $3 in shipping. Auto renews monthly, and like I said earlier, you get 3 pieces, and the value is over $75. And they do offer lower pricing, like most subscriptions. If you sign up for like a 3, 6, or 12-month plan, you get a little bit of a discount. So I'm super excited. I have no idea what's in here. I think I saw Abadab just posted her video earlier today, but I did not watch it. So, and I don't even know if everyone gets the same items each month or what. If you guys know, definitely let me know in the comment section. But let's get unboxing. So when I open it up, this is what I see. And there's a card that says Kitty. So let's see what this says first. There's a thank you card. Hi Kitty, we can't wait for you to unbox your first Glamour jewelry box pieces. Here's a special code for your followers. Oh, awesome, thank you so much. It's 10% off your first order using code KITTY10. So I'll leave that down below in the description box too. Thank you so much for giving us a coupon code. That is so nice of you. Yay. And then there is a card on top, which I love when subscription boxes have cards, especially when they have retail value prices, which this one does. So it says, spring is here and this month's jewelry set is perfect to celebrate the season. And it lists 3 different things, and then it says this month's box is valued at $75, so super excited. So I will reference this when I pull out each piece. And wow, it looks like they are bagged up nice and well in here, and that also says Glamour jewelry box on this bag. This bag's really nice. You can use this also to like clean your jewelry. So let's see what we got. So everything I got is rose gold, which is awesome. I like rose gold. I actually like everything. I'm like one of those people, like, you know, I'm not like, I only wear silver, I only wear gold. I like it all. So I don't have too much rose gold jewelry, so I'm really excited about that. So the first thing I'll show you are the earrings, which I love. When I was opening it, I actually dropped one on the floor, but I recovered it. So these are like hoop earrings, but they have like a pretty like teardrop type shape. And I hope you could see on camera how pretty these are. I love how simple they are, but like so elegant. I love it. Let's see what it says. So, rose gold teardrop hoop earrings. I actually described it correctly. The retail price of these earrings is $24. It says these earrings are a modern take on the classic hoop earring. This piece is sure to be a head turner. These are so cute. I feel like they look good with my black dress right now. I might change my earrings before I go out for a drink later tonight. Happy Friday, by the way. I think I'm posting this on Friday, but even if I don't post it on Friday, I'm posting it on Saturday, so happy weekend. But let's move on to the next piece. It's in the bag. This looks so pretty too. These are very glamorous, like the name, Glamour Jewelry Box. Ooh, so this is the bracelet. This is gorgeous. I love the closure of it too. You can like pull it to fit. It's super easy. You don't have to tie it or anything, and that means it will fit everyone. Oh my God. I love it. Let me put it on this wrist. Yeah, super easy to adjust the strap, which is really nice. When you're a single lady or someone that doesn't have roommates, it is hard to get jewelry on sometimes, so I appreciate something that is easy to put on and obviously beautiful too. So that is what it looks like on me. So there is that little like dangly piece right here from adjusting it, but I think it's cute actually. There's like two little balls at the end. But that is really pretty. I love it. So this is the rose gold bracelet and has a retail price of $25. I love, it's so pretty. And it says this adjustable rose gold bracelet drips in a row of diamonds. It's super pretty, and it's not like too flashy or anything. It's really like delicate, which is what I love in jewelry pieces, delicate jewelry. So we have one more item, the necklace. So let's see what is in here. So at first I thought it was like all knotted up, so I started to untangle it. But it says this is the rose gold knot lariat necklace. Retail price of $26. It says this is a perfect piece for spring. It pairs perfectly with a simple crew neck tee or a deep V-neck. I'm still gonna see if I can untangle this right before I show you, but I think you knot it yourself for the different layers. I'm not sure. I think I kind of messed it up before, which I'll probably not have on camera, but so this is what it looks like. I hope you can see this is like pretty rose gold chain, and it is adjustable length. It definitely is a longer one, and it says knotted, so I think that is what this is here. At first I thought that was just like a tangled necklace, like which happens all the time if you wear jewelry, you know. So this is cool. So I think you can adjust where the knot is too, because it was more knotted up before and I just kind of took that out, but I think this is really pretty. I hope you guys can see. So there's like a little gem on it. Awesome. And so they all match. If you want to wear them all together, they definitely go together. I wouldn't wear this necklace with this, what I'm wearing right now, just because there's already this detail here. I would want something that like hit, you know, around that area probably. But I think I really will wear some of this out tonight. I love the bracelet. I love how it's adjustable. Makes it so easy to put on. Clasping bracelets by yourself, like I said, so hard. And I think these earrings are gorgeous too. Look at these earrings. I love them. So what do you guys think? I love how it comes in this bag too, the Glamour jewelry box bag, which you can keep it all in. And if you want to, you can clean jewelry with these types of bags, which I learned from my Rocksbox subscription, which is where I got these earrings, by the way. If you're curious, if you didn't see that video, I'll link that down below too. That's a rental service though. So I get to keep all of these items. I don't have to return them. So with my other jewelry subscription, I have to return them. So I really like that I get to keep these. What's my favorite? I think the earrings are something I will get the most use out of. Like I will probably wear these all the time because they're just so pretty and simple and delicate, like I love. So yeah, I love this month. So you guys have to let me know. I mean, I'll probably watch some videos now that I am posting mine. I try not to watch anyone else's videos until I'm done, so it's all a surprise. But does everyone get this? Or like, do you get to choose like if you get like rose gold, silver, or just regular gold? I'm actually gonna check that on their website really quick. Oh, I didn't know that. That's super cute. So this company is owned and run by two sisters from Phoenix, Arizona that have an avid love for fashion, and they want to share their passion for jewelry with us. That's so sweet. I love like family run like things, sisters. That's so nice. So it says each month Glamour Jewelry Box rotates between gold, silver, and rose gold tone jewelry, allowing our members to experience every tone for each season. I think that's nice. So you don't pick one, they rotate it. So you'll get a variety of different things, which is super nice. Oh, and it says Glamour Jewelry Box allows for easy skipping before renewal. So if there's ever a jewelry tone that you'd like to skip out on, you can skip that month and not get charged. So that's nice too. And so the $3 shipping cost is for the US. They do not offer international shipping at this time, but they hope to in the future. Well, their like frequently asked question page is actually like answering all the questions I had. Have you ever gone to like someone's website and been like not getting your answers at all? Like you're like, what is this page? Like you're nothing, you know? And they kind of like beat around the questions. This answered everything I had in mind. So I think this was awesome. I think I've said this multiple times, but definitely let me know your thoughts down below in the description box. I love hearing from you guys. And if you're interested in this box, definitely use that coupon code. Thank you again, Glamour Jewelry Box, for giving us this code and for sending me this box. I love it. And thank you all for being here and unboxing with me. I love you so, so much, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.